Hello, welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to look at some of the latest severe stormic cyclones that struck India. So let's look into it. Number 7, Cyclone Mora. Cyclone Mora was a moderate but deadly tropical cyclone. It developed from an area of low pressure over the southeastern Bay of Bengal on May 28 in the year 2017 and caused severe damages in Meghalaya, Assam, Manipur, and Mizoram in northeast India. Mora reached its peak strength with maximum sustained winds of 110 km per hour. It took away 135 lives of people and the storm caused damages of 2,218 crore rupees. It lasted for 2 days where the cyclone made landfall and steadily weakened, dissipating early in the morning on May 31. Number 6. Cyclone Oki. A very severe storm that originated from an area of low pressure that was formed over the southwest Bay of Bengal on November 28 in the year 2017. Oki from the Arabian Sea affected mainland India along with coastal areas of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. Experiencing wind speeds of around 80 km per hour, Oki caused 245 fatalities in India and left 550 people missing, leading to damages of around 6,804 crore rupees. Cyclone Oki lasted for about 4 days from 29th November to 6th December 2017. Number 5. Cyclone Titli. A low pressure area was formed in the Andaman Sea on October 6th in the year 2018. Titli caused severe damages in Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. The wind speed was around 145 km per hour. Titli killed at least 77 people in Odisha and left a couple of others missing. Due to heavy flooding and landslides, it caused another 8 deaths in Andhra Pradesh. Damage from flooding caused by Titli totaled at 3,749 crore rupees in Andhra Pradesh and 3,054 crore rupees in Odisha. It lasted for around 3 days and gradually weakened on October 8th, making landfall in Andhra Pradesh district at peak intensity. Number 4. Cyclone Gaja. It formed on November 5th in the year 2018 as a low pressure system over the Gulf of Thailand and eventually crossed into Andaman Sea. Gaja had severe impacts in South India, particularly in Tamil Nadu. The wind speed was around 140 km per hour. 45 people were killed by the storm in Tanjavur district and 8 were killed in Pattikota district. After Cyclone Gaja, Tamil Nadu sought 15,000 crore rupees from Indian central government to rebuild. The cyclone lasted for about 10 days from November 10th to November 19th. Number 3. Cyclone Fani. Cyclone Fani was the strongest tropical cyclone to hit the Indian state of Odisha since 1999 Odisha cyclone. Fani originated from a tropical depression that formed west of Sumatra in the Indian Ocean on 26 April in the year 2019. The wind speed was around 200 km per hour. It took away lives of 89 people and lasted for 10 days from 26 April 2019 to 5th May 2019, causing core damages of 24,176 crore rupees. Number 2. Cyclone Bulbul. Bulbul cyclone struck the Indian state of West Bengal as well as Bangladesh in November in the year 2019, causing storm surge, heavy rains and flash floods across the areas. The speed was around 140 km per hour. Totally 41 fatal cases were reported due to Cyclone Bulbul. It lasted for 7 days from 5th November 2019 to 11th November 2019, causing 23,811 crore rupees losses. Number 1. Cyclone Amphan. Amphan was a powerful and disastrous tropical cyclone that caused widespread damage in eastern India, specifically West Bengal and also Bangladesh in the month of May 2020. The wind speed was around 260 km per hour and around 128 people were dead. It lasted for 6 days from 16th May to 21st May in the year 2020 and caused damages around 1 lakh crore rupees. So friends, these were the latest top 7 severe stormic cyclones that hit India. Thank you, and if you like the video, please like, share and support us by subscribing to our channel.